Yo, what's good, YouTube? So this is gonna be a quick video. It's not gonna be a full wrap. This is Chrysler 300C. It's a 2011, he told me, and it's a full Hellcat swap. So brakes, wheels, engine, obviously. I don't know about the tranny or anything, but yeah, it looks sick. The hood looks amazing. He said it's wrapped currently, so it's wrapped gloss black. I mean, it's really sick. This is actually a YouTuber's car. His name's ShayV. If you guys know him, he does point of view driving and car meets and dope ass videos in Chicago. So yeah, what we're gonna be doing is a big ass Hellcat decal on the back. It's matte black, so it's gonna look nice matte black against the gloss black, and it's gonna have a hot pink eye for the logo. Yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse, do the sides. So that's all we're doing today on this thing. In the future, maybe some more, maybe a full rewrap, we'll see. But he saw me on Instagram, he hit me up. It's crazy because I literally was watching his videos like 3 months ago. I first saw him, and I noticed like a certain exit he took into my city, and I was like, damn, he's literally out here like right next to me. So it's pretty cool to see that. He pops out with the Durango Hellcats and all that stuff on YouTube. You guys can go check it out. I'll link it. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna record this and show you guys the finished product. I think it's gonna look sick with the matte black and pink eye. So let's get it.